So for today's video, I'm going to share with you the products I've been loving for the month of May. Unahin na natin itong nasa ulo ko, itong cat ears na to. I got this on Shopee. I'm gonna link it down below where I got it, but I really love it, you guys, because it gives an extra oomph to every look, to every wig that I wear. It's really comfy, plus nakikita niyo anak ko sa akin every time I wear this. Parang lagi niyang ginaganon ito. So I really love this. I think it's good to have like a pair if you want to take photos with a different vibe or something. So it's very affordable. So I'm gonna link it down below. Yeah, it's kind of nice to have one. Next favorite is the skincare. So the skincare that I used actually for like the entire month of May, majority of May, is from Skin 1004. Ito yung kanila Madagascar Centella Hyaluronic Blue Serum. Meron akong skincare trial nito. I documented using it for like 2 weeks plus. And you guys, it really made a difference on my skin. I kid you not. As in, hindi to chikalu eklavu lang. I loved it. It made a difference on my skin. And I can say that this is the best skincare I've tried so far. Kaya lang ngayon, it's already June. I have another brand of skincare na tinatry ko ngayon. So kahit nakatry na ako na amazing product like Skin 1004, it doesn't stop me to like try other products. Para naman, alam mo yun, marami tayong alam na skincare brand or skincare products that might work for you or for me. Pero alam mo yun, for the month of May, super duper love ko talaga itong Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Light. Pero masasabi ko guys, gumanda talaga yung skin ko with this. Lumambot, kuminis, nabawasan yung mga bootleg, nag-brighten up, alam mo yun. Every time I put on makeup, alam mo yun, super flawless lang ng makeup ko. So, highly recommend itong Skin 104 Madagascar Centella Line, the blue line. Next products, you guys, we have a hair care. Akalain mo yon. I'm just getting sort of photo or probably like a quick video clip kasi andun siya sa banyo sa kabila. Eh, natutulog yung baby ko. Baka mamaya magising pag pumasok pa ako. But I'm talking about yung Tresemme Keratin Smooth Shampoo and Conditioner. Guys, ang claim nila is like salon gorgeous hair. Kung ano yung shampoo and conditioner na experience mo sa salon, eh mararanasan mo with this one. And it's so true. Because after using the shampoo and conditioner for like the entire month of May, masasabi ko na mukha nga nagpasalon ka with how soft and smooth your hair. Hindi masyadong frizzy yung hair ko. Yung kahit matuyo siya, hindi siya like, ano mo yun? Medyo bagsak siya, pero hindi flat. Sak, pero alam mo yon, may airy feeling pa rin sa hair. I love the smell. Hindi siya matapang. Hindi siya like amoy commercialized shampoo na mabulaklak. Alam mo yon, amoy professionally made hair. If that makes sense. But I really liked it. I like the effect on my hair. It's better to use both the shampoo and conditioner because they work together to create that really good effect on your hair. Well, it's just tiny bit expensive than the, you know, yung mga nakasanayan nating shampoo since we were kids. But it's totally worth it. I highly recommend. Again, that's the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Shampoo and Conditioner. Next, mapunta na tayo sa makeup dye. Unahin natin ang eyebrow product. This one is from an independent shop called Skincare Hub, My Brows Brow Soap. I was never really into brow soaps until I tried this because this is beginner friendly, so easy to use. I'm sorry hindi yung makikita yung brows ko, but I use it today. And it's kind of nice to use brow soap instead of like yung mga typical eyebrow pencils or liners. Somehow kung tinatamad kang mag-eyebrow pencils, ganunin mo lang siya. Gaganon yung eyebrow hairs mo. And it's gonna give you like the illusion na you have thick eyebrows. Depende sa eyebrows mo. Pero for my eyebrows, somehow it gives the illusion na para akong naglagay ng eyebrow pencil kasi nga nag-spread out ng maayos yung eyebrow hairs ko. And I like it because, alam mo yung bushy eyebrows, I'm really into that, lalo na kung wala na akong masyadong makeup and I have dewy glowy skin and lip and cheek tint lang. So it kind of gives you like a summery vibes. Kung sawang-sawa na kayo sa mga eyebrow pencils, liners, gels, and whatnot, try the eyebrow soap. And recommend ko yung from Skincare Hub because this is like beginner friendly. Next product, you guys, is I've been using this a lot nung May. This is the eyeliner waterproof from Sassy Lady. Hindi ko na-expect na magiging like I'm gonna rely so much on this product because I was super duper in love with the Teviant eyeliner. Kaya lang nung naubusan ako ng Teviant eyeliner and then tagal mag-sale ng Teviant, eto na lang yung ginamit ko. And in fairness, I fell in love. Na-develop a kiss. It's the one that I'm wearing right now. Super duper pigmented, super duper easy to use. Kaya lang, sa sobrang bigay ng product, you have to be very careful lang. Kasi parang one swipe, super pigmented na siya. So, dahan-dahan lang paglalagay. Huwag masyadong like nagmamadali. You have to slowly but surely take your time para maging flawless yung application ng eyeliner. Is it waterproof? To some extent. But it's not like super hulas proof. And pag ginanon mo yung eyes mo, magsasmudge pa rin siya. Pero effect na sa akin to dye because hindi man ako lumalabas. Hindi man ako like super nasa arawan. So, pwede na to pang bahay. Lalo na if you're work from home. And affordable pa. So, I do recommend it ang Sassy Lady Waterproof eyeliner. Liquid eyeliner. Next, okay, lip products. My favorite part. I've featured this before. I'm pretty sure I did. Pero for the month of May, for some reason, hindi ko pa rin siya mabitawan. And I'm talking about yung Milk Touch My Lip. It's kind of like a lip velvet. Particularly itong shade number 2. And this is like a bright pink one. Para siyang lip tint pag nilagay mo on your lips, but it's really, really long lasting, you guys. Really long lasting. Sa lips man or sa cheeks. So if I want like a pop of, pinky corally shade, I go for this one. Lalo na pag gusto ko ng long lasting, if I don't have time to retouch for the day, pag I'm super busy, I go for this one. It's super pigmented, super blendable. So I'm gonna let you guys know if I'm going to have another promo with my Carrie's shop. Every time kasi nagkaka-promo ko ng mga lip products, you always get like another awesome free product and more. So, I'm gonna let you guys know. Pero totally worth it to buy this one. It'll Milk Touch My Lip. I'm pretty sure it's a lip velvet. Next products, let's go for local brand naman. And it's the lippy that I'm wearing right now. And I'm talking about itong from Skincare Hub. Ito yung kanilang powder lip velvet tint. Comes in 5 shades. Meron akong lip swatch nito. I'm gonna link it down below, yung video na may lip swatch nito. Pero this is super duper affordable and super pigmented, super blendable, super cute packaging. I like the applicator and it dries into a velvety finish. Pero hindi to hindi to like mass proof or kiss proof. Less transfer lang siya compared to like the typical lipstick. Pero okay nito if you're like work from home or if nasa bahay ka lang or if you wanna aura lang, you know. I really like the finish, oh. So, highly recommend that you try this from Skincare Hub. It's a local independent shop na totally worth it to check out and support. Speaking of support, oh my god. Next favorites are from Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. And I'm talking about yung kanilang multi-use milk tints and 2 of my favorite shades. One is yung cheesecake and the other is yung mixed berries. Etong cheesecake, I love this on the cheeks. Etong mixed berries, I love it on the lips. Meron akong lip swatch review. I'm gonna link it down below as well. This mixed berries, kung gusto yung parang lip tint effect, like your lips but kissable. Ito yung perfect talagang smudge on your lips or kahit na full pack on color. I really love mixed berries. Ito naman si cheesecake. This is like for everyday blush, natural looking blush. Pero guys, super blendable ito. Pero nakadepende pa rin yun dun sa canvas or sa base mo. Pero if your canvas is like squeaky clean, alam mo yun, yung parang pag ginanon mo, hindi dumudulas yung fingers mo. Ganon din yung product na ito. Actually, kahit anong product. Kapag ka super dry or squeaky nung skin mo, hindi rin siya magiging super blendable. So, if you're going to use this, the product itself, the formula itself is blendable, pero syempre, ayusin mo rin yung canvas mo. So, make sure your skin is moisturized or your base is properly applied before using these products. Pero, alam mo yun, a little goes a long way. Yung isang ganito, parang months mo gagamitin or even a year. Like, be careful sa pag-squeeze out ng product dahil konting dot lang na ganyan, like, kaya na i-cover both cheeks mo. Or konting dot lang ganyan, kaya nang lagyan ng tint yung lips mo. So, be careful lang in squeezing out the product. But highly recommend itong Get Ready With Me Cosmetics milk tints. Dami shades sa pagpipilian. And yeah, supportahan natin si May Layo. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I-share nyo naman sa akin sa comment section yung mga favorite products mo para naman alam mo, hindi ako nauubusan ng itatry. Because I'm pretty sure you guys know a lot of hidden gems na hindi ko pa natry. So, comment na, try! Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!